Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Do you have an event coming up?
I've got some exciting stuff for your next party. Check out this glitter backdrop by WOLADA. It's super high resolution and has amazing color quality. Look at the beautiful gold spots. It's perfect for any event from baby showers, anniversaries to weddings. You can use this for taking pictures or as decor, as you can see here. I love this one because it's made of vinyl cloth, so it's durable but at the same time lightweight, so it makes it super easy to carry and store. The size is 8 by 6, but they have a variety of sizes, so you choose your preferred one. So if you intend to host an extravagant event, incorporating this backdrop will elevate its ambience and provide an ideal setting for cherished memories. So I highly recommend this backdrop by Walada.
And that's my point of view.